Guys, today I'm taking a look at this Ampligame gaming microphone from Fifine. Now, there are a ton of external USB microphones out there, so what's so good about this one? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, this is a pretty cool little external USB microphone from Fifine, and it's aimed at gamers, streamers and podcasters. So let's get it unboxed and let's give it that all-important sound test. So guys, opening the box, you have a set of pretty comprehensive instructions. Whip off the little piece of foam and we have the mic itself, a nicely built and pretty heavy tripod, and a USB-A to USB-C cable to connect it to your computer. It's all plug and play and works with either Mac or Windows. Now, looking at the microphone, it's pretty lightweight. It has a nice little pop filter and it's mounted in a shock cage. On the bottom you have a threaded mount to mount it to a boom arm or the supplied tripod. Also on the bottom you have a gain control. Once you plug this mic in, you have that cool RGB lighting pattern which randomly changes. Now if you're a gamer, you're definitely going to appreciate this. On the top you also have a mute button which turns off the RGB lighting also. So guys, let's have a listen to this microphone and see how it sounds compared to the built-in microphones on my MacBook Pro. Okay guys, so this is the audio being recorded from the internal microphone of my MacBook Pro. And here guys is the recording from the Fifine USB microphone. So let me know how that comes out. Now don't forget guys, there is a gain control on this microphone and I have got it turned up to full just to see what that comes out like, because initially the first recording I did was pretty low, so don't forget there is a gain control. So guys, there you have it. Whilst the sound on the Fifine is super clear, it is quieter than the MacBook mics. Now this isn't a problem if you're podcasting, as generally you are very close to the microphone. And for general recording, you can push the levels up in post. For gaming, it may be a little bit quiet, but you know what? It is super clear and the pop filter works really, really well. So if you want a great sounding, small external microphone, this Fifine Ampligame is a good bet. And you know what guys? For less than £40, it's an absolute steal. And yeah, you know what? The MacBook Pros, maybe it wasn't a fair test because they do have what they call studio mics, but if you're gaming on a PC with no built-in mics, push up the levels in software and this is a great sounding solution for your gaming or podcasting needs. I'll leave any products and discount links in the description, and guys, if you like the video then please give it a thumbs up, it really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content then please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks guys for watching, thanks to Fifine for sending me this microphone. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.